YouTubers, here's a question that I get asked a lot. I read the comments, I pay attention to what y'all say. A lot of you guys want to know, Garrick, how do you keep your trimmers sharp? Well, I have the answer for you. It's right after the intro. Hit it. So many of y'all have been asking about these. How do you keep them sharp? These are Wahl, but you might have BaByLiss. But I'm gonna give you 5 ways of how you keep your trimmers sharp. Number 1, you have to oil them. And I recommend oiling them once a week. That's if you're a home barber and you're cutting your own hair. But if you're active barber like myself and you're cutting hair 5 days a week, you want to oil those bad boys every day. Oil them at the beginning of the day. It's a simple way to oil them. Let me show you. This is how I oil my trimmers. I give them 3 dabs across the blade and 1 on each side. Let me show you. Always turn them on. 1, 2, 3, 1, 1. And that's all you need to do. Quick and easy. Number 2, you have to clean them because some of y'all, your trimmers just have a lot of junk and gunk and a lot of hair buildup in them. That's not good. You want to clean them all the time with a blade brush. Now, a blade brush is different than a regular toothbrush. Let me show you. Here's a blade brush. This is more sturdy. The bristles are harder and it gets the hair off your trimmers. And it's real easy, that's all you gotta do is just continue to just clean your blades. That's how you keep them sharp. Number 3, it's giving your blades a deep cleaning. Now the deep cleaning is different from the regular cleaning with the toothbrush. Now let me show you what I'm talking about when I say deep cleaning. I'm using the Andis Blade Care Plus to deep clean my trimmers. I just turn it on, simply put it in, just let it sit in about 30 seconds to 1 minute. What I love about the Andis Blade Care Plus solution is it not only cleans it, it deodorizes it, but it also lubricates it at the same time. And if you have a lot of hair buildup in your trimmer blades, it'll get that out as well. And there you go. Now these blades are good to go. Number 4, this is a no-no. Do not, I repeat, do not clean your blades with alcohol. Now there's alcohol inside here. What alcohol does to your blades is it can dry your blades and it can cause them to rust. Now I know some of y'all, because my clients have told me, some of y'all take some alcohol and you put it on a napkin or something and you smear it across the blades. That's a no-no. Or you spray it on the blades. Keep the alcohol away from the blades. Use blade wash when you want to clean your trimmers. And number 5, keep your trimmers away from water. Because I know a lot of y'all, you put them on your countertops and your countertop might be junky and you got water on it. Keep the trimmer blades away from water because that's another way that you can rust the blades and it makes them dull. And when they're dull, they're not sharp and they're not cutting right. So I just went over 5 ways that you can keep your trimmers nice and sharp and prevent them from getting dull. Every product that I mentioned in this video, I'll put a link in the description. Also, I'll put a little thing on here. It'll take you to the products. Hey man, keep your blades nice and sharp on your trimmers because you always want your hairline to look good. Oh, and while you're at it and you're here, don't forget to subscribe. Don't just watch this video, watch the other ones too because I got a lot of barber information for y'all. I'm out of here. Ciao.